and Quat. Vrindavan Garden, Mysore. A symphony of nature and design, exploring the enchanting beauty and Quat. Join us on a journey to Vrindavan Garden, a horticultural marvel in the heart of Mysore. This video is your virtual guide to the exquisite landscapes, musical fountains, and the timeless charm that defines Vrindavan Garden. Nestled along the banks of the Cauvery River, Vrindavan Garden is a botanical haven that seamlessly blends nature's grace with artistic design. Let's unravel the beauty that unfolds within its lush surroundings. The highlight of Vrindavan Garden is its mesmerizing musical fountain. As dusk falls, the garden transforms into a magical space where water and light dance to the rhythm of music. Experience the enchantment as we dive into the nightly fountain show. Designed with meticulous precision, Vrindavan Garden is a visual treat for nature enthusiasts. Meandering pathways, vibrant flowerbeds, and the iconic stepped terraces create a captivating landscape that beckons exploration. The garden boasts a diverse collection of flora, featuring a wide array of flowering plants, ornamental trees, and sculpted greenery. Each section of the garden offers a new palette of colors and fragrances. Witness the symphony of water, light, and music as the dancing fountains come to life. The choreographed display is a delightful spectacle that captivates visitors of all ages. Vrindavan Garden is not only a visual delight but also holds cultural significance. It's a serene space that invites visitors to connect with nature and find solace amidst the urban hustle. Mysore is well connected by road, and Vrindavan Garden is easily accessible within the city. For those exploring Mysore on foot, the garden is conveniently located, making it a delightful stroll from various points. While Vrindavan Garden is captivating throughout the year, the musical fountain show during the evenings adds an extra layer of charm. The show is particularly magical during the dusk hours. Vrindavan Garden in Mysore is not just a garden. It's a sensory experience. Join us on this virtual tour as we explore the rhythmic beauty, cultural richness, and natural elegance that define Vrindavan Garden.